know an awful lot about dark matter, about exoplanets, and about the size and shape of the universe. But there are some amazingly important things that we're still working on, where the research is unresolved. And that's what this course is going to be about. It's going to be about the big questions. So I'm interested and excited by this course because it takes me into topics that I'm interested in as a researcher. These are issues that everyone can understand. For instance, what's the nature of black holes, or is there life in the universe? Where we're still trying to find out the answers, and where cutting-edge tools in astronomy, space-based telescopes, ground-based telescopes, many of which are associated with researchers and facilities at the University of Arizona, they're involved in this work. So we're going to be looking at how scientists are trying to answer some of the most profound questions about our place in the universe. And so that's something that's meaningful to everyone, because it's about our place in the universe, but it's also about the cutting edge of research. So these are issues that aren't resolved, and where papers are being published pretty much every week. I hope that students will get out of this course a sense of the articles that they may be reading pretty much every week in the newspapers and magazines, because these are kind of hot research topics. So when you read an article about Earth-like planets and the likelihood of life in the universe, it'll give you a better understanding of it. When you see the images that have just been taken in the last month or so of black holes, you'll understand what's the physics behind black holes. When you read about the Large Hadron Collider and its experiments, you'll understand the nature of the Higgs discovery just a couple of years ago. So it'll give you context for understanding a lot of the cutting-edge research topics that are in the news pretty much every week. I'd say that if you took this class, you'd be able to talk knowledgeably and intriguingly about things like black holes and the Higgs boson and the future and origin of the universe, the likelihood that there's life on planets beyond the Earth. And that's pretty cool to be able to get enough background on these topics to be able to talk about them yourself with your friends and colleagues. So please join me in the fall for a romp through the frontiers of astrophysics and the biggest unanswered questions about the universe.